Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, here we are with the start of another playlist called Scratch Projects to Make 2. In this playlist, we'll have more projects than the last playlist. So I am back with our first project in this playlist called the Setting Sun Lab. This is a virtual lab for the experiments for the children who love science. So let's make it and let's see how it was made. It's a very simple but impressive project. So let's begin. So in this video, we are going to learn about the codes of these sprites, which are a very few sprites. The sprites like these and the book. In the next video, we are going to learn about the rest of the sprites and what the stage does. Before that, we are going to discuss what we did in the last playlist. In the last playlist, we discovered how the Rivery Town project was made, the sound recorder project was made, and how the photo search project was made. In this playlist, our first project here is the Setting Sun Lab. We are going to have more projects than just that. So now let's begin. So first we have to test it. For testing, what do? We click on the green flag. Hello and welcome to my lab. This is me, Meera. So the Meera here, which we can see, is the owner of this lab. This is an experimental lab for children to learn science. So let's start. So now here we got our lab and all the things. So we have 4 chemicals: oxygen, carbon, not carbon dioxide, only carbon, and hydrogen. So these are the liquid forms, and acid is also there. Now let's begin. So first we begin with the book, experiments in lab. First experiment is making water. I think I know how to make water. So we use oxygen and then we use hydrogen. That will make water. Maybe we should add a little more oxygen. Yes. So water is made. This gives real-time results. Now if we want to clear and make our next experiment called carbon dioxide. Okay, so we use carbon dioxide over here. And now oxygen. And there, the carbon dioxide is made. Now let's just see what happens when we pour in acid. Acid leaked. The beaker was damaged. Let's just not tell Meera, the owner, and clear it. We use the next beaker for the next experiment by using the clear button. So this is our project. the little project. Now let's see how the codes work. Our first code is in the acid bottles code. When the when the green flag is clicked, the acid is not being shown because Mira is introducing herself and her lab. This message is which is start. It makes the sprite to be shown and sets the drag mode to draggable. And then if touching beaker, it switches the costume to pipe. Next costume, and then broadcasters acid added and waits for 2 seconds, and next costume switch costume to pipe. So we are going to discover what is the pipe costumes now. So these are the dropping costume and this is the pipe costume. Thanks to Google for these costumes, but the droppings I made and whatever else I made. Same as the codes, but only it broadcasted oxygen added and changes water by 1, changes CO2 by 1. Because water and CO2, in water and CO2, oxygen is used. So what we do is we add the variable change add the variable water and carbon dioxide. So once the carbon dioxide variable changes to 2 and water variable changes to 2, then this sprite's costume is changed as you can see in the code. But first we are going to look at the chemicals. Same here, both of these are the same, all of them are the same. This is also the same. So four of them are identical sprites, but only the costumes are changed and the codes are a little bit changed. Now we come to the book. It switches the costume directly to costume 2 and then hides. This is the costume 2, and when it receives start, then it shows. Start means starting up this project when the beaker and everything appears. When the sprite is clicked, it changes the costume. See the book? Yes. Now the book is closed. It's easy to make a book like this, and it's very easy to make the chemicals. You just copy the image from Google and credit them for that and paste them here. The those chemical costumes. So the first five sprites are very easy. In the next video, we are going to learn about the beaker and the clear button. Both of them aren't so easy as these, but we will see them in the next video. So I request you to see the next video till the end. Watch watch this video till the end. So everyone, thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Please like, share and subscribe and click on the buttons on the next screen. Thank you. Have a nice day.